Welcome back to my kitchen, where today making delightful and easy hummus recipe. This creamy, delicious dip is perfect for any occasion. You'll need 100 grams of cooked chickpeas, 4 tablespoons of tahini, which is a paste made from sesame seeds and adds a rich, nutty flavor to the hummus. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, freshly squeezed for that zesty tang, 1 crushed clove of garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. These simple ingredients come together to create a delicious and nutritious dip. Grab your blender or food processor, pop in the chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice and garlic. Blend it all until it's smooth and creamy. If it's too thick, just add a little water to get it to the right consistency. Sprinkle a bit of cayenne pepper if you like a bit of heat. Chop up some fresh parsley, which adds a lovely color and fresh flavor to your hummus. And drizzle a little olive oil on top if you like. And there you have it, homemade hummus ready to serve. It's creamy and flavorful. Pair it tortilla chips, and you've got a fantastic snack or appetizer that everyone will love. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoy making and eating this delicious hummus as much as I do. Like and subscribe for new videos.